Are you ready to embark on a journey into the captivating world of AI-generated imagery? Picture this, stunning visuals that leap off the screen, transporting you to realms beyond your wildest dreams. Well, guess what? You have the power to make that a reality. Imagine unleashing your imagination with just a few clicks. No more struggling with uninspiring canvases or endless brainstorming. With the right prompts, you can unlock boundless creativity. And here's the kicker, it's easier than ever. All you need is the right guidance, the right tools, and of course, the right prompts. That's where we come in. At Prompts Within, we're experts in fueling your creativity. Whether you're dreaming up magical landscapes, futuristic metropolises, or delectable feasts, we got the prompts to make it happen. So, are you ready to create images that stop people in their tracks? Images that ignite conversations and transport minds to new dimensions? Well, you're in luck because you found your creative hub. Stick around, and we'll guide you through accessing the prompts that will breathe life into your visions. It's time to step into a world of limitless creativity and endless possibilities. So, what do you say? Are you ready to dive in and start crafting images that defy expectations? Join us on this exhilarating journey. Let's make magic together.
Audio Jungle. I just gotta check. Always gotta.
Okay, let's begin by discussing how you can get prompts that will create images like these using any AI tool. Whether it's Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or any AI tool you like, these prompts will make them in seconds. To get started, click the link in the description or on the first pinned comment below. You will be introduced to 250k prompts and styles, the AI artist's secret weapon. A game changer for anyone who wants to create mind-blowing art with the help of AI. The best part? These prompts are free. Their beauty is their universality. No matter what AI art tool you use, our prompts are designed to work with various platforms. To get access to these prompts, simply click any button that says free download. On the next page, enter your actual email address and click the Get Free Prompts Now button. Great, now we're getting closer. On this page, scroll down and click the download button. And holy smokes, buckle up because here's the kicker. You now wield the power of over 250,000 prompts at your fingertips, ready to conjure up any image you could possibly dream of. Are you feeling the excitement? Because I sure am. But wait, it gets even better. Dive into this treasure trove, and what do you discover? A cornucopia of prompts tailored to fulfill every creative whim you've ever had. Can you believe it? The possibilities are absolutely endless. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more tips, tricks, creative prompts, and inspiration. We're here to support you on your artistic journey every step of the way. So, until next time, keep creating and let your imagination run wild with Prompts Within. Together, let's paint the world with our creativity.